revered Secretary Mataji, revered Principal Mataji, all other Matajis of the ashram, esteemed parents, and dear members of the NVM family. A very warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you. I am Nishtha Pandey, and it gives me immense joy to be your host as we gather today for the Parent Orientation Day. This special occasion marks the beginning of a beautiful collaboration between the school and parents. Let us begin this auspicious day with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp, a symbolizing the removal of darkness and awakening of knowledge and wisdom. I humbly request revered Secretary Mataji and revered Principal Mataji to please come forward and light the lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा.
Thank you, Matajis. May this divine light guide us all on the path of learning and enlightenment. To invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, let us now immerse ourselves in a soulful Saraswati Vandana accompanied by a graceful classical Odissi dance performed by Joyta Das.
सा सा रि स नि नि स नि प प नि म म म म ग म म नि ध ध ध स प प प नि म म प म ग म ग म म नि सा. आ आ आ आ मा सरस्वती शारदे मा सरस्वती शारदे दूर किस अज्ञान उदधि से दूर किस अज्ञान उदधि से तेरा पानी तार दे तार दे तार दे माँ सरस्वती शारदे माँ सरस्वती शारदे. सूर्य ब्रह्म शिव विष्णु गजानन जिन चरणों को सेवते हैं. सूर्य ब्रह्म शिव विष्णु गजानन जिन चरणों को सेवते. हम शिशु है अज्ञानी माता किन चरणों का प्यार दे. तेरा पानी तार दे तार दे तार दे माँ सरस्वती शारदे माँ सरस्वती शारदे.
Thank you, Joyta, for this mesmerizing performance. We now invite our respected principal, Pravarajika Gyan Prana Mataji, to address the gathering.
Revered Secretary Mataji, respected parents, and my dear teachers, Namaskar and a very warm welcome to you all. It is with deep gratitude and joy that I stand before you today as the principal of Ramakrishna Sharda Mission, Nivedita Vidya Mandir, a place where tradition meets modernity, and where every child is gently guided to blossom into a compassionate, confident, and capable human being. Our school is not just a place of academic learning, it is a nurturing space where young minds are shaped with love, discipline, and enduring values. Rooted in the timeless ideas of Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sri Sharda Devi, Swami Vivekananda, and Sister Nivedita, we believe that real education must touch the mind, the heart, and the soul of a child. For us, education is not just about acquiring information, it is about transformation. It is about building character, awakening curiosity, fostering creativity, and nurturing a sense of selfless service. At the same time, we are very well aware of the needs of the contemporary world. Our classrooms are equipped with modern teaching methods, digital learning tools, and computer education that prepares our students with 21st century skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and technological awareness. Therefore, we ensure that along with traditional values, our students are well prepared to face a rapidly changing world with confidence and competence. At Nivedita Vidya Mandir, we believe that every child is unique and our approach to education reflects this understanding. In the pre-primary years, learning happens through joyful, play-based activities that lay a strong and happy foundation where curiosity is encouraged and learning becomes a delightful experience. As the children move into the primary sections, they engage in a balanced and meaningful curriculum: languages, mathematics, science, social studies, and computer education, designed to develop clarity of thought, creativity, and a love for learning. Along with academics, we consciously nurture emotional intelligence, ethical awareness, and independent thinking. Our students also participate in a wide range of co-curricular activities that contribute to their holistic growth, such as yoga, meditation, and mantra chanting to cultivate inner calm and concentration, music, dance, and drama to encourage creativity and self-expression, personality development program to build confidence and resilience, environmental awareness and social service initiatives to instill responsibility and compassion, celebration of national and international days to broaden their outlook and awareness. Guided by the universal vision of our spiritual ideals, we also celebrate festivals of all major religions: Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Sikhism, and Buddhism. These are not just celebrations, but meaningful experiences that help children imbibe the spirit of unity, nurturing in them inclusivity, harmony, and respect for all religions. What sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to every child's emotional and intellectual well being. Here, children learn not only how to think, but also how to feel with sensitivity and act with responsibility. They are guided to develop humility, empathy, inner strength, and a balanced outlook toward life. Our vision is to nurture well rounded individuals, academically strong, emotionally balanced, ethically grounded, and prepared to make a meaningful difference in the world. Dear parents, by choosing our school, you have become part of a caring and committed community. Together, let us continue this journey of shaping young minds so that our children grow into individuals who think clearly, feel deeply, act with compassion, and live with purpose. Thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you, Mataji, for your inspiring words. I would now like to present a PowerPoint presentation that provides an overview of the curriculum and teaching practices followed in our school.
Namaskar, a very warm welcome to you all. I'll present the slides now. Our vision. At Nivedita Vidya Mandir, We are committed to the holistic development of every child, nurturing academic excellence along with creativity, values, and life skills in a joyful learning environment. Montessori thematic learning. We follow the Montessori thematic learning approach where concepts are taught through carefully chosen themes. Themes such as colors, fruits, vegetables, and animals are explored through engaging activity based methods, making learning meaningful and joyful. A daily summary of lessons is shared with parents via WhatsApp. In case of absence, parents are requested to ensure completion of missed work. Pre-primary class structure. In our pre-primary section, classes are organized according to the age and developmental stage of the child. Playgroup age 2 to 3, nursery age 3 to 4, lower kindergarten age 4 to 5, upper kindergarten age 5 to 6. This structured grouping ensures age appropriate learning, smooth progression, and holistic development at every stage. Books for pre-primary. Writing books English and Hindi, number work textbook, reading books English, Hindi and EVS, and coloring books. Primary curriculum structure. The academic year is divided into 2 semesters. Semester 1 April to September, Semester 2 October to March. Each semester includes an integrated book covering 5 core subjects such as English, Maths, Science, Social Studies, and General Knowledge. Additional subjects include Hindi, Computer, Sanskrit, Drawing, etc., ensuring well-rounded development. Books for primary grades 1 and 2. Semester 1 and 2 subjects are English, Maths, EVS, GK, and Hindi. There are separate books for grammar, both Hindi and English, computer, drawing, and cursive writing. Books for primary grades 3, 4, and 5. Semester 1 and 2 subjects are English, Maths, SST, Science, GK, and Hindi. There are separate books for English grammar, Hindi grammar, computer, and Sanskrit. Assessment system. Students are evaluated through oral and written assessments, activity-based evaluations, daily classroom performance. Special focus is given to reading, writing, and communication skills in both English and Hindi. Equal importance is given to co-curricular participation in overall evaluation. Assessment structure for grades 1 to 5. The components are multiple assessments, activities, projects, group work, oral and written tasks. Periodical assessments, written tests, objective and descriptive, summative assessments, end of semester comprehensive assessments. Portfolio, year-long based on presentation, participation, creativity, and regularity. Purpose is to ensure a balanced evaluation of academic performance and essential life skills. Grading system. We follow a grading system instead of a marking system to discourage unnecessary competition among young learners. Academic ranks are not declared, ensuring that students remain focused on learning and self-improvement rather than comparison with others. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities. A wide range of activities are conducted throughout the year. These are sports and band drill, art and craft, music, dance, drama, and so on. Monthly activities based on events and festivals ensure enthusiastic participation by all students. Environmental awareness and social responsibility. Students actively participate in initiatives such as plantation drives, Earth Day celebrations, and Swachhata Pakhwada, fostering a sense of responsibility towards the environment and society. Through these activities, students learn the importance of sustainability, cleanliness, and conservation of natural resources while developing values of civic responsibility and respect for their surroundings. Competitions. Students participate in various competitions such as dance, drama, music, fancy dress, art and craft, declamation, quiz, and poetry. Winners are recognized in assemblies and digital certificates are shared with parents. Kid Fit. To promote physical and mental well being, students are trained in yoga, regular exercises, meditation, and self defense. Educational excursions. Students are taken on educational visits to places such as the Nehru Planetarium, Science Center, museums, book fairs, post offices, banks, dairy units, and various industrial visits, providing valuable real life learning experiences beyond the classroom. Grade 5 students are also taken to places of worship of different religions, fostering respect for India's rich diversity and promoting values of inclusivity and harmony. Parent partnership. Daily updates are shared through WhatsApp. Parents are encouraged to support completion of classwork in case the child is absent on a working day. Active collaboration between school and parents ensures better learning outcomes. Suggested activities. Parents can encourage children to watch educational channels such as Discovery, Animal Planet, etc., engage with age appropriate content, read pictorial books, communicate in English at home, play puzzles, board games, and indoor games for cognitive and language development. We look forward to a strong and meaningful partnership with all parents for the holistic development of our children. Thank you so much.
I hope this presentation has given you a clear and insightful understanding of our approach to teaching and learning. Now, let us all enjoy a virtual tour of our school, offering a glimpse into our campus, classrooms, and the vibrant learning environment that your children will soon be a part of. This will be followed by highlights of various school activities and celebrations that make learning at Nivedita Vidya Mandir joyful.
भी पा गए।
हम छोटी छोटी बच्ची है, दांत हमारे कच्चे है। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे, घर वालों के शुरंगम। शहीद हुए हैं उनके, जरा याद करो।
My India, kind and peace.
साहिबजादे फतेह और जोरावर भी साहस से लिखी।
Love my country, India. We come from different races and strains.
तिरंगे की शपथ है उनका धर्म।
माँ सरस्वती शारदे,
माँ सरस्वती नमो नमः। शिव कैलाशों के वासी,
नागेंद्र हाराय त्रिलोचनाय
आशुतोष शशांक शेखर चंद्रमौलि सिताय।
होली आई होली आई होली आई, सारा रारा मदन गोपाल के बोलो सारा रारा ओ सारा। अब मेगम
Namaskar and blessed Eid to you all.
चांद ने मुस्कान बिखेरी, ईद का आया
Very
त्योहार।
happy and blessed Ram Navami to all of you.
जन्मे अवध में राम, मंगल गौरी।
Shri Ram is courage. Shri Ram is life.
मेरे घर राम आए। ओम हनुमते नमो नमः।
हनुमान जी बल के भंडार, सदा करे भक्तों का उद्धार।
बच्चे आए ढोल ते नगारा बच्चे आए, चल मेले नू चली। ओ आई वसाखी सोहणिया तू पट दे पठू।
ज्ञानातिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया।
शरच्चन्द्रबालं महादैत्यकाय। छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे बाल, छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल। कहते हैं भगवान आते, जन्म लियो कान्हा ने।
नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, श्री कृष्ण गो
कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा, कृष्ण केशानाय भालचन्द्राय, श्री गणेशाय धीमहि, श्री मोरेश्वराय नमो नमः। शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं।
जब राजा दशरथ ने राम को राजा बनाने की घोषणा की,
लक्ष्मण देखो, प्रभु तुम्हें अपनी सहायता के लिए पुकार रहे हैं।
इसलिए इस दिन को विजयदशमी कहा जाता है।
सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके।
तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली। सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। सारे सारे
A blessed Guru Nanak Jayanti to you all.
गुरु नानक परगटया।
गुरु नानक कहते हैं कि वह सदा सदा सत्य रहेगा।
नाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु 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 सतनाम वाहेगुरु।
Bright and beautiful. Merry Christmas. Joy is here.
glory, glory, glory to God. Merry Christmas, we wish you good tidings we bring to you. Listen, ride and sing and stay excited. Best to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
होली आई होली आई होली आई।
शक्ति नारी है जान।
My red balloon flies high. If it's yellow and you know it, say hello. Let's go. Green, the color green. Green, green, the color green.
I take a pledge that
The rain begins to fall. The seeds begin to grow. Hi ho, the dairy. Make every day Earth Day. Say yes.
Today I am an Air Force
Naval officer of the Indian Navy. Fight for the national good of India. I live in China. I love to live. Namaste, Mehta. I'm rosy and healthy.
माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं। I love my mommy, yes I do.
Mommy, inside and out.
मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है।
Teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true.
It's a special day to say thank you to all our.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया।
You are marvelous.
You teacher, thank you so. You help us.
भाषा राष्ट्र की भाषा प्रजातंत्र
भारत देश में जन्म हुआ, लक्ष्मीबाई था नाम।
की भाषा प्रजातंत्र के शास्त्र की भाषा।
प्रियं ब्रूयात् देवो रुष्टे गुरुप्राता गुरुरुष्टे न
देश के लिए आत्म बलि दी उनको याद करें।
A very warm welcome to Mrs. Neeti Kanungo and Colonel Prabir.
आगे बढ़ते जाना।
Is Mrs. Suparna Banerjee Devroima.
अजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
Shat Shat Naman to all the Matajis.
Congratulations, Tayyaba ma'am, on this very deserved recognition.
A hug is something if you give it away, then it comes right back to you.
मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जो ना कभी रुका, ना डरा, ना झुका है।
From that day, the lion was never proud again.
प्रियं भारतं तत्सदा वन्दनीयम्। अरे द्वारपालो कन्हैया से कह दो।
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कनेक्शन कमजोर था।
I am Nishtha Pandey.
I hope this gave you a wonderful glimpse into life at our school.
तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा।
As we come to the close of today's program, let us stand together to express respect for our nation with the national anthem. Thank you everyone for your gracious presence and participation. We look forward to a meaningful collaboration with you all. Thank you.